Have you ever felt stuck in a loop? Have you ever felt stuck in a loop? Have you ever felt stuck in a loop? Are you a man in your 20s or 30s feeling lost, lacking direction, or struggling to find your purpose? For too long, we've suffered in silence and soldiered on. I have found that the world we live in is not designed to make you happy. It is designed to make you productive. Escaping from these expectations to focus on yourself will transform your life. UNPLUG, How to Escape the Simulation and Find Your Purpose, is an absolutely free 60-minute online experience designed just for you. I will introduce you to the hero's journey or monomyth, the one great human adventure that has inspired people all over the world for thousands of years. My name is John Crain Welsby, and I'm a theologian and Amazon bestselling author. I have recovered from depression and mental illness to build a new life for myself. I am determined to help people who are struggling with their meaning and purpose in this difficult world. The system won't fix itself for your sake. You need to escape, and if not today, then when? Discover clarity, build meaningful connections, and embark on a journey of personal and spiritual growth. Go to unplugandescape.net and register now.